Everything don't change. Everything don't. Ah, shit. Which day they play Mommy Ok's music that day I can't they sing and they follow. Mommy OK just lost her only son. Hi! 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 I go out to as I reach house, I say make I just open phone. Now that I just see Mommy OK just a cry. Hey! Chimo! That boy fine. Fine boy, no pimples. Hey! Yeah, it shocked me. Hey! Hey! If person will get pikin, if your pikin die, not be that person you dey cry for. You go dey cry yourself. Because it's like the same thing. I don't my biomo. My pikin na your pikin mama. Your pikin na my pikin. Hi! Now only person will not get pikin, I not go understand this cry. Only the woman will never born. I not go understand when person is lost the pikin. You want money. When no one of ye wouldn't yavie. It didn't yavie. I don't have a year of you what a woo. We might understand. You not go understand. If ah so sad. So sad. You will not understand. Now only mothers will get children. Now only mothers understand me right now. Young girl when they watch me, no, she not go. She'll say what they worry this million. She don't see start again. Because she never born. The boy too fine. Oh. Never born. Young. Never marry. Hey! Hey! Man, no vessel. I know someone go say Vasabi. You not go understand. Do you have a child? If you have one, join me. Let's pity for. Let's say our mommy. Okay, sorry. If you have a child, join me for here. Hey, make she take heart. Now this thing I no want for mama. Mama for don't die before now. I can't say one for die. Not the only boy where she gets to die again. I empty my account. People they laugh me, they go to this, say, Mary, just look at you. You don't know I say they spend money. Yeah, see go yeke. My brother come from travel. You're on your fence. You just come your fence. And my massive why now? I get a bona. Okay, area working. You know, Ijeo. I just only carry contribution. Osusu. Mona see my life. Oh. No, ya get my myriados. I just newly carry Osusu. Igolidara. Your rich man, the your carry give me. The your come hey, my brother don't fento. They don't fento. He don't fento. They don't carry a go hospital. Bring money, oh. Where my head just fell go, mama. You know, EJ. You know, you know, Emma. What do I ever? Now there I can't enter only that money what they give me. All finish. Fiam. One not remain. Now know what I do. Because of my mom. Ima no ever nowhere. As I treat my brother finish, all my money, almost 3 million. Oh, as your travel not come me again. But I did that thing for my mom. It not come me again. For that my brother, I believe say I not get money. My brother for not survivor. All my brother was all the intestine just. I might not even jam it all. We don't know what in jam inside. We don't know what in tie intestine. Can't tie. If I see my only brother stomach, they cut and operation. All of a sudden, the mark at home me nothing. It will say me not get that money for house. If for finish, my mom for don't go long time. Not be even now where she can't go so. But I can't happy say another one not go again. Now that one I can't happy for that one. I will be now what's a lot of my way. You not good make pikin first die before mama. No good. It never happened to me, and God no go. It not happen to me, and God no go gree. I dey hear say, then they talk say omo awuyan oba loss of bosisi. Hey, you get me? They say they pay, and if you get pikin, you go understand. Say that parable na truth. Oh my daughter, oh my baby, oh. Hey. Mona pray for mommy okay. May she get power. May she for fist as in may she get strength. Mona pray for her. May she get strength. Any prayer wanna get for na mad. Mona prayer for her. Prayer, even though say now you not just prayer for her. Prayer, just anywhere you dey. May she get strength. May she overcome her. As this boy be mommy okay, only son. That's why my brother be mama only son. My mommy love my brother pass all of us. And we see follow for back like that. We can't see understand. Say now only him be boy. Now only my brother be boy. So yeah, love of way. We can't even join our mama love our brother. We not agree make anything happen to our brother. To that no, especially me. Even though say you do me something, if I hear FM, yeah, rule. Yes. So my mom love her so much. So my heart my heart as I talk this matters, my heart they pain me. My heart is heavy. Douglas will say person way just happen to. But the only thing we me know, if person get hand for a body, for instance, the person do and make him go sleep, make this bros go sleep. Yes, they relax now. You where you do am, You sit there for this useless life. This life is so stupid. It's up and down. Cry. Sorrow. Happiness. Sorrow. What kind of life is And this life, a very stupid life now with the not just key. Ozuo, ogiom, oka giogiom, I mean, ove, woka jo, woka ba. Ewe. Oje tu weka boma jove. Ove ni we have a na yapun na de yapun ozuo, you not get sense. No we boy ove no ni vie here is better. Yes. We yeru weti onyanka. Look at okay, you guys just explain to me what kind of life are we living? What is this life all about? Can anybody explain to me? The life that you don't know what is all about. You don't know about this life. You will have the nerves to do otomokbo. For instance, to kill somebody. You are a fool. You are a mumu. Is a fact. Life will not even know how we take day for here. You go there wrong, kitikata. You not go feel jealous, normal jealousy. May you leave the person. You go do everything, may you kill him. Nobody will not the jealous. Number one, comedy all day. You also get out. But to now one are the jealous. See, reach the way reach to the essence to kill him. You are a mumu. You are a mumu. You are a mumu. Not be lie. If you say I dey lie, sit down make you think and whether you not be mumu. You dey say me person cry, eh? Me person fair go, me person fair get that thing. Your own see they come. Your own see they wait for you. That is why you have to have sex when you are in this miserable life. Yes. The person where you kill, don't sleep. Now make them they say, Meriados, no money, mama. Meriados. You enter my heart. You know enter my heart. Now let me know myself. Now maybe the last person where go because of person can't they enter live video. Or I know can't do live video again. Or I go do live video because you know enter my mind. You know enter my mind. The yes. I cry. I can't say okay me where the cry my sweet mommy wait that now. My sweet mommy they sleep. Me sit there for this agbon dana. Do you know many ones wait sit there my front? What to do? Person wait don't sleep better pass us where will never sleep. If you understand what I'm trying to say. Oh, let's say, Ubuna, Egana to Bomadi, Naya Stabik Bomawa. For the people that are sleeping, that are dead, are better off. Yes. She be at the cry mama. But many is still in front. Because as far as you see that this life. Now laugh, now smile and sorrow. You got me? My sister died 10 years ago. We cry. The one was not me direct. I don't go on your back and son of Agmo. I don't go be dead bitch no damn. Not be another one happen so mama can't die. You see, it's not good for you to kill. Don't kill it. Who wear bomber jove? Or master wear? Or man no who master wear? You they look mommy okay age now. If you get hand for that boy dead, the laugh was walking. That fine boy. He just rest now. Yes, now because but they pain. The way they pain, they pain. But That brother now better pass me where like that for you. Because okay, wagi una wagi sununa. Ya we ban ya vie mo be school. The live aninya. You know, I made an ogbe ba where. Piri 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 piri. Next time you will see, yeah, I'll see come out. Hey, woo. It must happen. But the one when me hate, say me person, they get hand for people death. Now that one I hate. Let people die natural death. Yes. Let people die natural death. Almost so soon. You are a mumu to kill somebody. But I don't know whether a person kill somebody, whether a person kill this brother. I just talk. If now he dead, he die. Rest in peace, brother. You understand? Rest in peace. But if not be your die, you die. Kill that person will kill you. Only say ya wo na ya get we me ropa. Only wadi me wo. Ma wo na tin we me. Kill that person. I don't know the kind ghost wanna be. For my mother to do as it to make kill them. If anybody they get half a body, no kill. Well, ghost they don't do anything again. Now for as bro, mama for your I for here and I say enemy you're the bye. But wa fun. More than they do something if you are a ghost. Kill you. May sleep. They might be and now. It's not good though. Mommy okay, say na that bros na take care of am when they sick. Owo here niye. Owo here. It dey Facebook na. Owo here niye. Wa begin. The man don't know well. I just talk my own. I don't know. But if na person, bros, kill am. May you get better ghosts. Wa yore wa we ana. Wa wo bother we no agbe wa. Shit. This is bitter. Nah, it's painful. I mean not painful. I mean not bitter and painful. You know bitter and painful. Or what's no that mommy okay now. But mommy, before I go end this video, I want to give you mind. Okay? Just look this your son wait that I say they sleep. Yeah? Just take and say they sleep. Just take and say everybody must sleep for this life where we come. Nobody go there for this life everlasting. Yeah, mommy. Now me to overcome my mama and my sister with senior me. I don't strong put. They shake me. But after I come say, everybody go sleep now. In fact, now they even good pass. Enjoyment, just sleep. And see now, when I finish this video now, I'll go carry children, because they give them food. Bro, stress. This life, stress. Every day, agua, kitty, kata, stress. So, mommy, okay, just get up, be strong. So I make you for still last for us. Yeah, strong. Just take and say you that as when you born now you pet and put for bed, they sleep. Okay, it's okay. everybody will go. Everybody. It's so painful, but if you continue to think about the painful, you go just sleep for long. You understand me? Other children, they grant. Yeah, mommy. The pain. Yeah? Please. The pain. Please, just take heart. Oh, God. I don't live now. As it take pay me now, so I take run come out for live video. I live now. Eh? Mommy, take heart, please, okay? Please. Please. I like your music. That day, I see they play up of it for live video, they sing. Take heart. Sorry. 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 Bye-bye. I don't want to say I contact my fans. Anybody will get the number, Mona see call am. Mona see tell am sorry. Anything wanna see get, na see to support mommy. This one not be even time to need it. Mommy not even need any money for this thing. Now just condolence now she need. She need condolence. This one because he lost the pikin. But now he lost his mama. Come and do burial for me. Come donate. He lost his pikin. What all of you have to do now, if you are my follower, you know her, call her, give her your condolence, tell her sorry. You understand? No be money. She know you need money now. Sorry, now she just needs, you know. When I will tell her waiting go bring her mind down. Now she need now. Now yeah, maybe after, you have to send her something. That's why I say. Now bye bye. One love, people. God bless you all. Cheers.